Hello everyone, my name is Christina Pendergast and I'm a grade 7 and 8 French immersion science and physical education teacher, and I teach at St. Mother Teresa High School in Ottawa, Ontario. For those of you who are interested in following me on Twitter, my handle is @Mademoiselle Pendergast, and this video is a how-to video on how to create HTML code for formatting for bold, italics, and lists in a workspace. I'd like to thank Hapara for their slide deck on HTML in Hapara Workspace. I'm going to be using 3 of the slides today to demonstrate the 3 main objectives of the video. So first of all, we'll start with bold text. So this is the HTML code that you need for bolding text in a Hapara Workspace card. So I'll show you the very first bold. All I've done is I've copied the coding and I've entered the text that I would like to into this grade 7 science workspace that I've created for their heat unit. So if you enter the text that you would like inside of the code, you simply have to click outside and you'll notice that the text that you chose or typed inside of the coding will now be in bold. If we move on to, we're going to move on to italics now. And italics is very similar. You need a very similar code. Instead of a B, you're going to use an I. So here's the code here. You copy and paste this code into your workspace, like I've done here. You type the words that you would like to be in italics within the coding. And same as with bold, you click outside of the card and your text will now be in italics. Lastly, I think this is my favorite new trick. To make lists in Hapara, Hapara teams shared this excellent website with us during our trainer cadre. And so the website is the following, and I'll just shorten the URL for you so that you can copy that to your screen. Now, this website goes over HTML in unordered lists and ordered lists. And the simple difference is a bullet point versus numbers. So now that you've got the website copied down, take a look at the website for yourself. Choose whether you'd like unordered or ordered lists. For my example today, I'm going to use unordered HTML list, which is bullet points. So you copy the HTML code that you find in the box here, add it to your workspace, which I have done. And now I've also typed in the 3 main objectives, or objectifs, like we say in science for my French immersion students, into these boxes and within the coding again. And if we click outside of the box, we notice that we've got our bullet points. Okay, so thanks again for listening. I hope that you are able to now bold and use italics and use lists in Hapara Workspace. And again, thanks for listening.